Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is the tangent line. Here is about the diagram and the question they ask: find the tangent line between two parabolas. So I will show the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to put about f of s equal to the let's say about s square to number 1, and we have 4 s1 plus 2 and 3s equal to negative s to the power of s2 square, and we have 6s2 minus 3. This way can help you to distinguish. First, we know that the slope, you can see that the slope of this tangent, they have same one for function f of s and for function g of s. So we find the slope of the function in here equal to 2s1. I forget number 4 in here. 4 and 3 of s in first derivative, and we just create one equation. Next, we have the tangent line. Because the tangent line is same for two parabolas, so we can create the second equation. Now we need to consider about the second equation. So we know the formula of the line should be like this. This is about A, and this is about B, and B in here. So because they have the same tangent, so the value of B should have the same value. So we can create the second equation in here. Now we can create the system of equation. After we create this, we can find the value s1 and s2. So you can get about s1 equals to -1, s2 equal to number 2, and the second equation, second solution, that's about s1 equals to, that's about number 2, and s2 equal to -1. But if you look on the graph, f of s is on the negative side, gs is on the positive side. It means we just choose only s1 equal to -1, s2 is about number 2. So after we find s1 equal to -1, we put back for one tangent line in here. We change number 1, -1. We find the value in here. And here is the value we need to find in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.